Okay, what I'm demoing here today is a 2010 Epiphone Les Paul SG Custom. Ivory white gold hardware. Currently listed on eBay. One of the things I'm demoing is the guitar is rewired out of the standard wiring for the 3 pickup, Les Paul SGs. And off the top of my head, it's in the description. I don't remember what it is. But the way this has been rewired is it has the capability of having any of the pickups in any combination that you want them in any time. This is achieved through standard wiring. For this would be like a normal Les Paul or SG. Your bridge, your both, and your neck pickups. Neck pickup volume, bridge pickup volume. Difference being we have a master tone, and the middle pickup works off its own volume control, so that is on all the time. So I'm going to go through some of the sounds through it that you get with the pickups, normal, and then bringing the middle pickup in and out. We're going to start with the Marshall JVM 100 watt 212-inch speakers through the clean sounds. Let's start with the neck pickup, clean. Middle pickups. Bridge pickup. Okay, now I'm going to roll in, well, let's hear the middle pickup by itself. Okay, let's do the middle and the neck pickup. That's where we do this is, right now the bridge pickup is on 0. We're just going to roll this in so we have these two volumes working here. Alright, let's do the neck pickup and the middle pickup. Roll this down, switch here, volume full up here, and volume full up there. Alright, let's do all pickups. So all volumes are all the way up, everything's on. The middle position, we have everything. Okay, so now that's set, so you have an idea how that works. I'm just going to roll through some tones very quickly. Normal stuff. Let's roll off the middle pickup and start with the normal setup. A little more gain. Bridge pickup. Neck pickup. Both pickups. Alright, let's just do the middle pickup. bridge and middle. Let's do neck and middle. Just the neck. Just the middle. Alright, a little more gain, going to the overdrive channel. Just the bridge. Both pickups. Neck. Neck and middle. All pickups. A little more gain. Bridge. Middle. Neck. Neck and middle. Bridge and middle. Just the bridge. I'm going to go back to the clean side and of course I forgot to mention the master tone control works off everything. This was also changed to a Mallory orange drop cap, so the roll-off's a little different than your normal. Last thing I want to mention is the guitar plays very cleanly, all up the neck. There's no dead spots, there's no fretting out on it. selection is fairly low, which is how I like it. Right now it's set up with 9s. So, thank you.